understand Nokia Smart Camera, once you take a shot, consecutively you take 10 pictures. Okay? So once you've taken a shot, for example, you can click on the Nokia Smart Camera, and then immediately it presents to you what kind of scenario in terms of editing. First is best shot. You can scroll down to see action shot. You can even scroll down to see motion focus. I believe none of our competitors are showing this yet in terms of imaging experience. Of course, changing face and removing objects. So I'm just going to focus on the first top three, and I believe we have some challenges that we will let you experience the camera capability once we are done with the presentation. So okay, best shot, basically what it does is very simple. You click on it, the phone selects the best shot out of the 10 for you. And of course, you say maybe this is not the best stun. You can actually swipe left to select the stun. Maybe I like this one, really the punch is there. And then you can save it, you can export it as a JPEG, 5 megapixel, and then you can share it on Facebook, email, 1.2 megabyte kind of file size, easy for you to upload. And of course, any point in time you decide to go back and edit, you can always click on this picture again, and then you can compose your shot again. Similarly for the other experiences. I'd like to show you action shots. I think some of you are quite familiar, some of competitors are having action shots. But what we have here is a very different experience. You see the small circles that's actually on the bottom. Each circle actually represents one picture. So all in all, you have 10 pictures. Right? For this, for example, simple illustration, I can turn all the shots as being available. So you get this very nice motion, right? And of course, you're saying maybe too many people, too many faces there, it's a bit blur. I want some kind of focus. I can actually do a fade shot. Fade shot is on. And the best part about this software is you can actually focus on which stun to make it obvious. So you can see this guy is more clearer here. This is the shot that I like. Okay? Any point in time, for example, maybe it's a bit messy, right? Change the focus here. You can see it's really a nice motion shot that you have there. Okay? Last one that I'm going to introduce or going to share with you is motion focus. So basically, this what happens is that the subject that I'm taking is basically this Kung Fu master, so he'll always be in clear focus. What I'm trying to do is basically blur the background such that you get really a motion that's happening. And fun thing is that you can actually change the intensity of the blur to low or high. So basically this is low, so you get a clearer one, and then you turn it to high, then you get a bit blur. So of course this is not my favorite stun as mentioned. I like the one with the punch. Touch on the screen itself. There you have it. So one shot itself, basically 10 pictures taken. Any point in time, you can go back, re-edit, resubmit again, or share with your friends again. So with that, I think you have more time to play around with the phones later. I'll hand the time back to